Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Delicious, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly cooked, crispy, beautiful bacon. And it all starts with this baking sheet. Cooking your bacon in the oven is one of the smartest things you can do. The best bacon you've ever had is cooked in the oven, not on top of it. You literally set it and forget it. It's all cooked evenly and it turns out great. Sometimes you get really inconsistent bacon when you're using a pan. We are gonna cook some incredible maple bacon, and we're gonna show you the right way to cook perfect, crispy, beautiful bacon. So let's get started.
First things first, you're gonna wanna set your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to generously line our baking sheet with tinfoil. Doing this ensures for an easy cleanup once we're done making the bacon. Just let the grease harden and dispose of the tinfoil. The tinfoil also provides an additional elongated edge to help prevent spillage of grease. It's important to ensure every piece of bacon has its own surface area. Carefully arranging every piece, we're certain to have evenly cooked bacon and prevent pieces from getting stuck together. About 10 to 15 minutes later, we're going to take the bacon out and flip every individual piece. The bacon now fits a lot better on our pan as it's shrunk down quite a bit. Now at this point, it's really crucial to monitor our bacon once we put it back in the oven, probably between another 5 to 10 minutes until it's absolutely perfect. And we totally ran out of paper towel, super greasy, perfect, heart attack looking bacon. But I don't mind a bit. Not eating bacon to unclog those arteries. It's definitely still keto though. Crispy yet flexible, the perfect consistency, that's the way to do it. I don't like it burnt, I don't like it chewy. But this topic is up for discussion. Let us know in the comments how you like your bacon.
If you like the video, hit subscribe, turn your notifications on, that little bell right there. You don't want to miss a thing.